How to manage sleep settings in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to control when your PC goes to sleep and how it behaves when it wakes up. First, click the Start button and open the Settings app. From there, click on System in the left sidebar. After that, click on Power and Sleep on the right side of the screen. At this point, under the Sleep section, you'll see two drop-downs, one for when the PC is on battery and one for when it's plugged in. From here, click each dropdown and choose how long you want your PC to wait before going to sleep. Options range from a few minutes all the way up to never if you don't want it sleeping automatically at all. Following this, if you want more detailed sleep options, scroll down and click on Additional Power Settings. After that, click on Change Plan Settings next to your active power plan. From here, click on Change Advanced Power Settings to open a detailed panel with more specific sleep controls. At this point, expand the Sleep section in that panel and you'll find options like Allow Hybrid Sleep, which combines sleep and hibernate for faster wake times, and Hibernate After, which lets you set how long before your PC switches from sleep into the deeper hibernate state. After that, expand the Allow Wake Timers option to control whether scheduled tasks are allowed to wake your PC from sleep automatically. Finally, click Apply and OK to save all your changes once everything is set the way you want it. That's how you manage sleep settings in Windows 11. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you catch the next one. See you then!